guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little surprise happy mail. This is from Michelle. She is Michelle Bay Area on Instagram, and she said she thought of me for something. Let me open up this cute little, look, I just got the little trim stapled up at the top. This little glassine goodie bag. Looks like ephemera. Yes, is this like that Planner Society stuff? Looks like it. Super cute, like fall foliage bows. Look how cute. Oh yes, wait. Gather all the sequins so I have enough for a mix. Oh, look how cute that bow is. I can even use that for Halloween. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous. This reminds me of, there's like a Prima collection, or is this Prima? I don't know. Autumn shows how beautiful it is to let go of things. Oh, that's deep. What is this, girl? You got my mind wondering. And then this, got a cute little flower bag. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, you said nail polish in your thing. Your note. Let's open this. Cute little tag. How cute. She's the Willow Lane collection. Oh, look at this. So she said I could use this on my paper, like my cardstock, or I could use it as nail polish. I might just use that as nail polish. But look, see all the different little like glitter? She just painted it on the cardstock, and you have like your own paint. I love that idea. I think I could use this on wood veneers and stuff. Super cute. Thank you, girly. And then look at this big time bag. Oh, there's tons of leaves in here that I can save. Got this use like a doily as the background piece. So exciting. It is some deli cuts. Just kidding. What is this, girl? What is it? I still can't even see what it is. Cute. See all those sequins. Look at this. She decorated. Oh, okay. This comes off. That is such a good idea. Oh my gosh, you're a genius. So she you know that mesh with like the wire ribbon? She made it a shaker, just the inside part of it, on like packaging. How cool is that? That's so smart, Michelle. Then she decorated, she's got the crinkle paper, doilies, little boys, vintage boys that could end up looking creepy. Let's see what's in here. Yes. Look how cute. Ooh, and she's expensive at Joann's. I always pass on them because they're so expensive. Look at it. Is this supposed to be me? Look how cute she is. Look at her little witch hat. She's holding like a little spider, like probably her doll spider. Look at her little dress. Super spooky cute. I love this. So cute. They sell these at Joann's. And then here's another genius idea, you guys. Michelle. Look at this. So you know how I've stuck like paper in these slits like this before, but look, she made it a shaker. She didn't sew, she didn't glue, she didn't do nothing. She just made it a little shaker at the top. So smart, Michelle. It's 2 shakers, 2 for 1. Okay. Oh my gosh, what is this? Scissors. That's why you said I could use it year round. Oh my gosh, where did you find these? Oh my gosh, I am due for some, like, the ones I have are just getting crusty and beat up, and I tried to sharpen them and they're not cut. They're not cutting it. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so cute. That's why she's like, her hint was, it's Halloween themed, but you can use it year round. I'm like, what is that? Look how cute. Okay, so the black ones. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that just feels like a fresh new pair of scissors. And then look at these. Look at that cute pumpkin and the little like leaf foliage. Look how cute. Oh, ooh, they have a fancy little nose. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so cute. Thank you, Michelle, for thinking of me. I absolutely love them, and you are right. I will use them year round. All the little goodies. Thank you so much. This was very thoughtful and creative. I love it. Thank you. I will leave Michelle's information down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.